Have you ever looked at someone incredibly successful and wondered how they got there? Was it luck, talent, or perhaps something else entirely? Here's the truth. The greatest achievers in history, from world-class athletes to visionary entrepreneurs, have all mastered one powerful skill that most people overlook: the ability to visualize their goals. Visualization is not some mystical concept. It's a proven tool that bridges the gap between dreams and reality. It's the art of seeing your future so vividly in your mind that it feels as though it's already yours. But here's the thing. Most people don't know how to use this tool effectively. They either dismiss it as wishful thinking or lack the focus to apply it to their lives. And that's exactly why their goals remain out of reach. In this video, we'll uncover the transformative power of visualization and how it can completely shift the trajectory of your life. You'll learn why this practice works, how to harness its potential, and, most importantly, how to turn your dreams into tangible, life-changing results. If you've ever felt stuck, uncertain, or overwhelmed by the gap between where you are and where you want to be, stay with me. This is your moment to learn how to create a clear path to success, one powerful image at a time. Lesson 1: The power of a clear vision. Success begins with clarity. Without a clear vision, your goals are like seeds scattered in the wind, unable to take root. Visualization is the practice of forming a vivid, detailed image of what you want to achieve. It's more than simply imagining success. It's immersing yourself in the sights, sounds, and emotions of your desired future. For instance, if your goal is to start a business, don't just picture a thriving company. Visualize the conversations with satisfied customers, the feeling of pride as you look at your work, and the steps it took to get there. This depth transforms abstract dreams into something tangible. A clear vision is essential because it gives direction. Imagine driving in a foreign city without a map. The journey would be frustrating and aimless. Similarly, without a vivid mental picture of where you're going, it's easy to lose motivation or wander off course. Visualization creates a mental map that guides your actions and decisions, helping you align your efforts with your end goal. When the vision is clear, the path becomes more defined, and even the obstacles seem like part of the process rather than barriers. Lesson 2: Anchoring your why. Visualization alone is not enough. You must connect your goals to a deeper purpose. Your why is the emotional anchor that sustains you when challenges arise. It's easy to lose momentum when the initial excitement fades, but a strong why acts as your compass, keeping you grounded and motivated. For example, if your goal is to achieve financial independence, ask yourself why this matters. Is it to provide a better future for your family? To have the freedom to pursue your passions? The deeper your why, the stronger your commitment. Writing down your reasons can make them more tangible. When you feel disconnected from your goals, revisit your why and reflect on how achieving this goal aligns with your values and desires. This process transforms visualization into a deeply personal practice. It's no longer about chasing external rewards, but about fulfilling an internal drive. When you tie your goals to a powerful reason, every step you take feels more meaningful, and you are less likely to give up when faced with setbacks. Lesson 3: The science of visualization. Visualization is not just a motivational practice, it is rooted in neuroscience. Studies have shown that when you vividly imagine an experience, your brain activates similar neural pathways as when you actually perform the task. This phenomenon is known as mental rehearsal, and it has been widely used by athletes, performers, and high achievers to enhance performance. By repeatedly visualizing success, you create a mental blueprint that trains your mind and body to act in alignment with your goals. For example, if you're preparing for a major presentation, mentally rehearsing the event picturing yourself confidently speaking, engaging the audience, and handling questions can significantly boost your confidence and reduce anxiety. Visualization also reinforces positive behaviors and decision-making. When you see yourself as someone capable of achieving a goal, you're more likely to make choices that support that vision. Science proves that what the mind believes, the body achieves, making visualization a practical and powerful tool for success. Lesson 4. Overcoming self-doubt. One of the greatest barriers to success is self-doubt. It creeps in quietly, making you question your abilities and worthiness. Visualization is a powerful antidote to this destructive mindset. By focusing on a positive outcome and vividly imagining yourself overcoming challenges, you reframe your thoughts and build resilience. The key is to visualize not just the end goal, but also the process of overcoming difficulties. This trains your mind to expect and navigate obstacles without losing confidence. Self-doubt often thrives in the absence of evidence. Visualization provides that evidence by helping you mentally experience success before it happens. When you repeatedly visualize yourself achieving your goals, your brain begins to accept this as your reality. This shift in belief can be transformative, replacing fear with faith in your ability to succeed. Remember, self-doubt is not a sign of incapability. It's a natural response to stepping outside your comfort zone. Visualization helps you embrace this discomfort as part of growth, empowering you to move forward despite uncertainty. Lesson 5. Consistency is key. Visualization is not a one-time activity. It requires consistency and intentionality. Like any skill, the more you practice, the more effective it becomes. Dedicate time each day to focus on your goals and immerse yourself in the details of your envisioned future. This could be a few quiet moments in the morning, a reflective session before bed, or even a structured journaling practice. The important thing is to make it a habit. Consistency strengthens the connection between your vision and your actions. Each time you visualize, you reinforce the neural pathways that align your thoughts, emotions, and behaviors with your goals. Over time, this practice becomes second nature, shaping your mindset and decision-making. To stay consistent, consider creating a vision board or keeping a journal where you record your dreams and progress. These tools serve as daily reminders of your goals and keep your visualization practice focused and intentional. Lesson 6. Taking inspired action. Visualization is a powerful motivator, but it must be paired with action to create results. The act of visualizing primes your mind for success. But real progress comes from the steps you take to bring that vision to life. This means setting clear, actionable goals and breaking them into smaller, manageable tasks. Instead of waiting for the perfect moment, focus on making consistent progress, no matter how small. Taking inspired action means aligning your efforts with your vision. When you visualize your goals daily, you develop a sense of clarity that helps you prioritize tasks and recognize opportunities. This alignment ensures that your actions are purposeful and effective, propelling you toward your desired outcome. It's also important to celebrate small victories along the way. Each milestone you reach reinforces your belief in your ability to succeed, creating a positive cycle of motivation and achievement. Lesson 7. Believing in the unseen. Every great achievement begins with belief. Believing in the unseen is the foundation of visualization and the key to turning your dreams into reality. This belief is not blind optimism. It is the unwavering faith that your efforts will bear fruit, even when evidence is not yet visible. Cultivating this mindset requires patience, persistence, and trust in the process. Belief gives you the strength to endure setbacks and stay committed to your goals. When you truly believe in your vision, external circumstances lose their power to derail you. You become resilient, adaptable, and resourceful, finding ways to overcome challenges and stay on course. Remember, belief is contagious. When you have confidence in your vision, others are more likely to support and invest in your journey. Visualization is more than a mental exercise. It is a way of living with intention and purpose. By practicing these lessons, you create a roadmap to success that is both inspiring and actionable. When you combine a clear vision, a powerful why, consistent effort, and unwavering belief, you unlock the potential to achieve anything you set your mind to. Success is not a distant dream. It is a reality waiting to be created. Visualize it, work for it, and make it yours.